money don't really make me whole. The magazine covers drenched in gold. The dreams of granny and mansion and happy. The little things I need to save my soul. And I know the money don't really make me whole. The magazine covers drenched in gold. The dreams of granny and mansion and happy. The little things I need to save my soul. Who am I, gypsy rap? Gypsy need her dollar back and all of that. My devil's only closer when I call him back. Lick her in the limelight, lick her in the limelight with fine wine and ecstasy. You can have the rest of me. Basket case, silhouette, cigarette, internet. Check my Twitter page for something holier than Black Death. Who am I, gypsy black? The vacancy of Hallelujah. Me hollow in my interviews. Me only wearing tennis shoes to clubs with dress codes. Cause fuck they clubs. Everything is everything, me no name. Me niggas doing cocaine, me missing Brother Mike like something heavy. Me heart just wasn't ready, I wish I was a kid again. When the sun is going down, when the dark is out to stay, I picture your smile, like it was yesterday. When the sun is going down, when the dark is out to stay, I picture your smile, like it was yesterday. When I remember memories don't last forever. When I deny my empty with an open letter. Who gon' remember me? My satellite, my empathy. The wheels be chrome, spiffy. The Lord with me. My halo said goodbye and the floor hit me. Velvet lining in a pine box. My granny filled a time slot. Don't grow up too soon. Don't blow the candles out. Don't let them cops get you. My granny almost sparrow. I can see the wings. The choir sings. And da-da-dee-la-da-da-da-da-da. Only he can save my soul. And I know the money don't really make me whole. The magazine covers drenched in gold. The dreams of granny and mansion and happy. The little things I need to save my soul. When the sun is going down,
it's a beautiful day. Popsicle pilot right now. That's hey yo, call me a cab, it's the Razor Sharp Kid. Dipped every day, my style is Polar. I'm out to the mansion, I got to catch ghosts. I'm headed to the club tonight, we need toast for that whack ass MC. Talking all the shit, I know we can't wait just to get his wig split. It's war with the guards this year, represent. The bitch ass niggas keep trying to repent, but we still looking off, we wild like 2 Cent. Park Hill Project, say it with your lungs. Fuck y'all cats, we always got guns. So just in case we get drunk and can't drive, we gotta fuck something up. Dead or alive, y'all coming with us. We live on the other side of the chart, where your mother met Papa Wu, Papa Wu, Papa Wu.
Came with the same type game, the type of girl giving out the fake cell phone, the name Big Fame. She like catching big things, jewel chip, money clip, phone flip the 6 range. And seen her on the app, spotted her more than once. Ass so fat that you can see her from the front. She spot me like paparazzi, shot me a glance, and that Catwoman stands with the fat booty pants. Hot damn, what's your name, love? Where you came from? Neck and wrist laced up, very little makeup. The swims at the Reebok gym, tone your frame up, and sugar and spice, the only thing that you made up. I tried to play it low key, but couldn't keep it down. Asked her to dance, and she was like, yo, I'm leaving now. An hour later, sounds from Jamaica. She sipping Chris straight up, skanking while in her waist up. Scene 2. My fam throwing the jam for Reed is on the stand. Big things is in the plans. The brother Big Moon makes space for me to move in here. Yo, this my man Most, baby, let me introduce. I turn around. You was the same pretty bird who I had priorly observed, trying to play me for the herb. Shocked to sell, she couldn't get it together. I just played along and pretended I never met her. How you feeling? No, I'm fine. My name is Mons, I'm Sharice. I heard so much good about you, it's nice to finally meet. He moved to the booth, reserved for crew, especially and Honey Love ended up sitting directly next to me. I'm type polite, but now I'm looking at her skeptically. Cause baby girl got all the right weaponry. Designer fabric, shoes and accessories. Chinky eyes, sweet voice, on me mentally. Be conversated, made her laugh, yeah, you know me, bro. Even though I know the stilo, she wild sweet, yo. I'm about to murk, I say peace to the family. She hop up like, how you gon' leave before you dance with me? Dance with me. She blew my whole head. I was like, what? I play alone, I was like, yeah, alright, come on, let's go. So sick. I said, yo, I didn't
Weezy Mike. Not I ate those fruits from the leaves of life. Far as even couldn't have been the more deceiving wife. Figured Adam had a weak spot and she was right. I just call it how I see it. She in love with him and he in love too, but still in touch with all of them. Can you imagine you unlocked with one breeze for life? Waking up in the morning, laying down at night with the same face looking at you all the time. Realizing now that happiness is hard to find. You wanna go out and try to find that smiling face, but she's always mad and her sex ain't great. And she don't do things like she used to do. Kinda force you into trying to find you something new. And on the real, I done seen it when it went like this. But girl, there's one thing happened that you can't forget. Hey.
Girl, you know, 'cause I don't need that juice up in my world. Girl, you know, you can't be my love. You can't be my girl. Girl, you know, girl, you know, can't be my girl. You know, can't be my love. You can't be my.
But you can never be my main boo. We can remain cool, but we can't be seen. And for this, I can blame you. 'Cause you got more miles than an F-350 you've been ran through. And I know for a fact you got history. But since we met, I've been hearing your name in certain circles. Plus, you got a snap like a turtle. And you can probably catch him on the late night. Coming out the club, hand drunk off a Remy and Sprite. And make a man out of quick. 'Cause how she handle her biz is unlike no other. She a bad mother for you, but I'm too strong to let a pro undercover make me look messed up. 'Cause unlike those others, I done met a lot of freaky girls in my lifespan. So you can't get mad 'cause I'm not your man. You understand it was bad, it was not my plan for you to fall in love with me, girl, it's not like that.
Girl, you know, 'cause I don't need that juice up in my world. Girl, you know, you can't be my love. You can't be my girl, you know, girl, you know, can't be my girl, you know,
Tried to tell niggas in 2012, nigga, working hand to hand and no avail. Volume 1 was too heavy for you frail niggas, so I got lean like codeine and pills. It's the visionary in the vintage Chevy. It's been a while, but wow, you still care. Free Nash till they pass out obituaries in bold caps. Your bitch ass was not there. And I could do anything but move backwards. The hardest thing is to keep from being distracted. My big sister still claiming me on the taxes. Tell Uncle Sam I just need a second to add this. Gave my mama 10 racks and she packed and went to True Mash with it. Could triple the worth and gave me half of it. Half of it I tucked in the back of the air mattress. A quarter stash was stashed in the box with the Air Maxes. The rest got lost in sacks with my wife in no BM. Whack niggas dropping links in my DM. Bad bitches up and down in nigga TL. I'm glad that you finally made it to the future, but you late and the prices through the motherfucking roof. If you want, you could wait outside the building. I ain't taking no more meetings.
stepped in the water. Water was cold. She healed my body, but not my soul.
I bring you greetings from the First Church of Boone Baptist, United Fellowship of Free Nationals. Residing pastor is Pack, and the First Lady is a bad bitch with slanted eyelids and thick asses, sunglasses. Martin Luther King fan for you bitch niggas sweating on my patent leather. Pressure turned his featherweight into a Cinderella. I ain't seen the ground in days since I grew with fellas. Let me do you one better. Word to the liquor that killed my grandpa liver. I know you finally proud and niggas smiling. For every 100 niggas that came and gone missing, only a handful will go the distance. I swear I seen this shit coming as if I was living up under the plumbing while niggas was riffing and mumbling about what they could do. I was cooking gumbo, whipping the voodoo. I was in the jungle running with Zulus. We was looking past the struggle while life was moving so fast. You had to be sharp as a Ginsu. To the top of the food group, doing what I want and how I should too.
Stepped in the water was cold. Chill my body. Stepped in the water.
Don't scandalize mine. I spend too much time straight talk with the catch the S. My line walk, never fetch you for crime walk. Who goes there? Yo, it's a squeeze of 5 fingers, puffing smoke to the bear. Shining black like Darth Vader caps, they on stairs. While we rockin' it, I rockin' it. Like a little ball inside the spray can. Providing 3 coats for both child, woman, and man.
God bless the God, lady streets wall to wall and go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, you got pop like a flick by that rivalry click and win.
Ooh, ooh, it ain't my fault
on the asphalt. Got your chin touched by my fan who thought you brought harm. You see, I'm iced out like a glass of tea. Better yet, oatmeal cookies. Y'all just rookies to me. Sliding up and down the court, but I don't think you can D. Why try? ACO been getting high since Luke Skywalker. Man, my topic of talk is shedding shame all over your game. Like them shorties who claim that Afrocentric loving is the past drug. My life filled with, that's what thugs love. That you fast, strap that ass in the rug of your choice while it muffles your voice.
Now when I'm swimming through the joint, I put the funk on hold. Cause if you don't see the bubbles come up, we run up a tab and gladly add a little extra for miss. Flashing faces with bigger lips for that ass to kiss.
Most crews oppose current while we're forever. Direct beats that's contagious. Love by all ages. Graduated from the university. A hard hitters for real.
I got niggas in the street that'll blast your ass for the shine again. Ooh, 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 yo, if you a fat chick, getting your fuck on tonight and go. Ooh, ooh, yo, put your hands opposite to the ground if you're loving that sound. Go. Ooh, 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 yo, and to my broke niggas on the corner holding me down. Go. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Man's to find someone so fine. Up in here alone, I feel I'm about to lose my mind. Was gonna spend the evening with my crew. Had no idea I would run into the likes of you. The dance floor is so tight. Somewhat like the way my hands been on your thighs tonight. Oh, you wanna turn a thing around? Girl, I like the way that sounds. Maybe later on, after everything is settled down, we can talk. But for now, I just wanna rock with you when we're on the floor. Listen to what you say without a sound. Baby, get you down, rock with you. Amazed like a kid by the things that you did, especially when the DJ was playing the best of big. Don't ever want this evening to end, but if it does, I wanna know when can it start again. Don't even know your name, but just your eyes alone makes me want to get out the game. The tower is about to be thrown, hopefully, girl, later on. After everything is settled down, we can talk. For now, I wanna rock with you when we're on the floor. Listen to what you say without a sound. Baby, get down, rock with you.
Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me
times I went out like a punk in a chunk, or a sucker or something to that effect. Respect I used to never get, cause all I got was upset when niggas used to be like, and try to sweat a nigga like the lip. For no reason at all, I can't recall if niggas rolling C's in my face. Down the hall, I kicking it in the back of the school, eating chicken at 3. Wondering why's everybody always picking on me. I tried to talk and tell them, chill, I did nothing to deserve this. But when it didn't work, I wasn't scared, just real nervous and unprepared to deal with scrapping, no doubt. My pappy never told me how to knock a nigga out, but now in 95 I was surviving as a man on my own. Fuck around with fat lip, yes, shit get blown. I'm not trying to show no macho is shown, but when it's on, then it's on. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away. One, two, so listen here. Come on. There comes a time in every man's life when he's gotta handle shit up on his own. Can't depend on friends to help you in a squeeze, please. They got problems of their own. Therefore they count on 7 chicken shits. Don't get to heaven till they face these fears and these fears zones. Used to get jacked back up in high school. I played it cool just so some real shit won't get full blown. Being where I'm from, they let the smoke come quicker than an evil redneck can let your helpless color figure. And as a victim I am really low key. Till the keyhole itself got lower than me. So I stood up and let my free form for free. Said I'm gonna get something before they knocking out me. I don't sweat it, I let the bullshit blow in the breeze. In other words, just a breeze, yeah. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away.
It's 1995, and now that I'm older, stress weighs on my shoulders, heavy as boulders. But I told y'all, until the day that I die, I still will be a soldier. And that's all I told ya, and that's all I showed ya, and that's all I told ya. Calamity is ripping my sanity, can it be?
That I'm a celebrity who's on the brink.
Now don't be wishing of switching any positions with me. Cause when you in my position, it ain't never easy to do any type of maintaining. Cause all the gaming and faming from entertaining is hella straining to the brain. But I can't keep running, I just gotta keep keen and cunning.
Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away. Can't keep running away.
It was like the earth twisted around her. She shifted the ground. I was like, oh, shit. She's off the hook. I was just her recently, but look, her body is immaculate. I'm attacking it from all positions. I'm thinking inside my mind. Hopefully it won't be too inappropriate if I walk over there and say, excuse me, can I have your number, please? I'll get on my knees if I have to. She laughed through the whole episode just that I knew I had it locked. No cock blocking, please, this one's mine. Dime piece and shit, son, shorty was fine. Every line of mine was like a rhyme, I wouldn't lie, I swear. Sparkling the whole time as I was in her ear. You will see the light, baby, once you understand what you mean to me, darling. And I know you will see the light, baby, once you understand what you mean to me, darling. Now some say I'm a little bit of thug slash b-boy gentleman, but let me introduce myself, also begin, so that you can further understand what I say. I took the slack swallow with a Grand Marnier and slid her to the dance floor. Now she's like, wow, oh damn, money got style. Funny how things change when you got a little liquor in you. You're quicker with the tongue, giving me rhythm now. Block the music and the people out to admire the love. The nerve of us impervious to the entire club. And like marijuana shotguns, let's blow this joint. It's pointless to stay here, so let me annoy you. You will see the light, baby, once you understand what you mean to me, darling. And I know you will see the light, baby, once you understand what you mean to me, darling.
I really don't stressed out. We're gonna make this thing work out eventually.
Yo, I ain't one to complain, but the stains in the game.
And what's your name?
I'm consequent type, burn like flames.
Well, why's that?
American dream, they got the ghetto kid and the fiend.
Don't stress that, cause it's not in your bloodstream. Your whole being comes from greatness, do remember. Shaitan got you caught in the storms of December. And brothers on the block packing nines like September. Change the situation, get these pockets all slender.
Yo, I be on the avenue where they be acting brand new. I'm splurging on these Reebok joints for shorty boo.
All of a sudden, I saw these two kids frontin', talking out their joints, but they wasn't saying nothing. My hand was on my toolie, they was acting unruly.
Say word.
Yo, word up, yo, I was tight, caught up, but I swallowed my pride to let that nonsense ride. Because the positive, it seems that negative die.
Yo, we was at the dice game, making these cats look silly. Flamin', steady running off at my willy.
I had my cash mix, my rent loot with my Play-Doh. I gotta see so loose, so all my girls I blow. Shook them shits in my palm, let them hit the flow. Kept my eyeball scoping for them pigs, po-po. I got to go on the Ave, see my parole by 4. But I got a steady freak these boys like JoJo.
And I was doing it till I met Ice Spike and Mike. One road, they had my pockets thirstier than Sprite.
Yo, I know the feeling. When you feeling like you feeling, you be having good thoughts, but the evils be revealing. And the stresses of life could take you off the right path.
Yeah.
Jealousy and envy tends to infiltrate your staff. We gotta hold it there so we can move on past all adversities, so we can get through fast.
I really
like
know
that.
how it feels to be stressed out. When you're face to face with your adversity. I really know how it feels to be stressed out. We're gonna make this thing work out eventually.
You got the NWO,
The low cash flow,
your baby's on the way.
and you don't know who.
And crosstown niggas tryna
Bust at you,
Hey yo, they got me stressed out.
and you don't know what to do.
Done the lie, done the low, done the lie, done the lee. Me nah look for trouble, but trouble him follow me. All I wanted to be was a illa MC. Ever since me did small as I youth that in Queen. What did you mash up the dance hall? How you mean? Until my best friend caught you in I'm head. Right, seen? And ever since that day, you not hear me? Things been a mess. R.I.P. goes to rock. True thing, God bless. So nowadays I go see wifey just to cure me from stress. Lay my head on her breast. Sugar dumpling knows best. Explaining all my problems to her, getting things off my chest. A little hug up, squeeze up, and no more am I vexed. Hey yo son, without my peeps I'll be truly asked out. Making sure I have my medication so I wouldn't pass out. Native tongues for believing in me. When everyone was blessing, most of all Jah Almighty for the guidance and the blessings.
I really know how it feels to be stressed out. When you're face to face with your adversity. I really know how it feels to be stressed out. We're gonna make this thing work out eventually.
My rhymes create life like the birds and the bees. Make funk master flex say, yo, I'm feeling these. Flows make your shit in your jaws, change your dungarees. Smoke trees, get cotton mouth, wild munchies. Bounce down the block, eat food at Luigi's. Ass constipated, too much extra cheese. But anyway, when I was cooling down at Luigi's, I met some Siamese twins from overseas, Lebanese. Let me in with friends from New Orleans. They had a fifth friend, she was straight black Portuguese. Pretty palm olive, soap skin, aloe vera leaves. She looks like the type of chick you only see in fantasies. The type of chick that you kill for to get between the knees. So I make time to chill with Miss Portuguese. Would you believe the bitch tried to steal my fucking house keys? Robbing for my G's. Had to show this crazy broad I mastered my degrees and my PhDs. Got your face on camera, motherfucker, say cheese. You better get with your friends quick before I start to squeeze. Getting caught up in them freaky gold digger jamboree. I caught the ill vibe tip. Your word. The ill vibe tip. Your word. Cause when I'm in the place, you know my shit be absurd.
I caught the ill vibe bus.
Word tip.
Your word. The ill vibe bus.
Word tip.
Your word. Yo, when I hold the mic, you know my shit be absurd. I caught the ill vibe bus.
Word tip.
Your word. I got weight on my shoulders in the form of this beat. Ain't nothing sweet on the street for good deeds I compete. Come on, complete and unique, so get back in your stance. We enhance and we play in the whole world circumstance. So do good in your hood, even though you puff fly. Positive to comply. Don't screw face and act right. Progress, don't fall back. We can't have that. I hold your hand, black. We can't wind up with scratch. I put my best foot forward when I play in life. Cause this world is trying to get you like a double-edged knife. In the gym we regulate, cause we organize. Logically thinking with a lost enterprise. A lot of brothers from the ghetto got the gift to gab. Peace to the west coast and the east, we fab. Oh, need I make mention that the crew we got make things get hot like the fofo shot. Blah. No, we don't promote no guns, but don't turn that cheek. In the world that we live, kindness is viewed as weak. So we gotta stay on point for all these lizards and snakes. Some of them come as friends, some of them come as jakes. We decipher all the flaws and build grounds with our friends. Why's that? So we can live right until time ends. Yo, why's that? Amalgamate so we can get these ends. Yo, true that. Buster and Tip, you know we make minds bend. I caught the ill vibe, buzz.
Word Tip.
Yo, word. The ill vibe, buzz.
Word Tip.
Yo, word. So when I hold my mic, you know my shit
got
ain't
Tony
absurd.
Price up in the house.
Word, buzz.
We live up in here, y'all. It's getting hot.
Cal shitting again, spitting the wind, loaded guns, clipping the end, none sicker than him. Yes indeed, I'm illers in the STDs or sex disease. These dirty rats want extra cheese on that piece of the pie. Now ask me how high, I tell you reach for the sky. Fling the crooked letter rock, that's my home. 23's wrapped in chrome. Not only snap on y'all niggas, but I snap them bones. Slap your dome, make you leave that crack alone. You got the key to the city, but the latch is on. I got it locked, bringing the noise, bringing the funk, dock the spot. Bringing my boys, bringing you lumps, pop the Glock, but only if you feel this shit. Jack the Ripper, don't make me have to kill this bitch. Back to get ya, put it in check, that's the Mr. Mac. With his foot on your neck, shut your lips up.
I get so high.
Smoke cheaper, cheaper, smoke cheaper, cheaper.
You're
so high that I can kiss the sky.
I get so high.
Brick City, take the crooked letter out. Let's get.
Can calling a man when the party is boring. I had these hoes stripping till it's part of the morning. I love a fat chick with a body enormous. It ain't about the weight, yo, it's how they performance. My dash is 180, my weed half a pound. When it's smoke in the air, my nose like basset hounds. I don't stash the drug, nigga divide. I'm that nigga that ride with a trigger to get a supply. Ha, it's how I stay all the time.
Niggas close your doors.
Yo, bitches shut all your blinds. If I'm hard to find, take 2 puffs and pass. I stayed back, but my Benz moved up a class. It's Dr. Meth, the format is real sickening, contagious. We out for Mr. Big's women. You better shut your trap when my dog's around. We pissing on fire hydrants, so walk around, bitch.
I get so high.
Smoke cheaper, smoke cheaper. You're so high that I can kiss the sky.
I get so high.
Brick City, take the crooked letter out. Let's get.
I need an encore, y'all. You should welcome me back. You want a ball till you fall, I can help you with that. You want beef, I can let a slug melt in your hat. Cause I'm a wild barbarian, too hard, I'm scaring them. Century 21 solar eclipse. While you listen to the words that I wrote on the disc. Felonious, my description is do-rag. Pants sag down to my feet. AK is my heat. A day in the street till I lay 6 feet. QB, PJs, and we playing for keeps. Jewelry, cars, and Jeeps is my motto. 4-5s with the hollows. Silencers on the nozzles. Pop bottles for those who left here. The best years, we in the bulletproof vest years. The aim for the head and chest years. What's your name? Make your name known for the next year. Better rap, yeah.
Nasty, Nas the Esco, the Escobar. Now he is Nostradamus. Nasty, Nas the Esco, the Escobar. Now he is Nostradamus. Nasty, Nas the Esco, the Escobar. Now he is Nostradamus. Nasty, Nas the Esco, the Escobar. Now he is Nostradamus.
Now, what y'all wanna do? Wanna be ballers, shot callers, brawlers, who be dipping in the Benz with the spoilers. On the low from the Jake and the Taurus, trying to get my hands on some grants like Horace. Yeah, living the raw deal, 3-course meal, spaghetti, fettuccine and veal. But still, everything's real in the field. And what you can't have now, leave when you will. But don't knock me for trying to bury 7 zeros over in Rio de Janeiro. Ain't nobody's hero, but I wanna be heard on your hot 9-7 every day, that's my word. Swimming in women with their own condominiums, 5+5s who drive millenniums. It's all about the Benjamins. What? I get a 50-pound bag of oof for the mutts, 5 carats on my hands with the cuts, and something European chromed out with the clutch.
Broke nigga, drinking more liquor, driving a broke bigger. I'm with mo sippers, watched by gold diggers, rocking Bajor denims with gold zippers. Lost your touch, we kept ours, popping crystals, freaking the 3-quarter reptiles. Enormous cream, forest green, binge G for my team. So while you sleep, I'ma scheme. You see through, so why nobody never gon' believe you. You do what we do, stack chips like Hebrews. Don't let the melody intrigue you, cause I'll leave you. I'm only here for that green paper with
I'm
the
strictly
evil.
trying to cop those colossal size Picassos and have Poppy flip coke outside Delgados. The end with cash flowing like Sosa and a Latin chick transporting in a chocha. Stampeding over pop modes, never sober. Flexing Range Rovers, dealing weight by Minnesota. Avoiding arcs with camcorders and Chevy Novas. Stash in the building with this chick named Alona from Daytona. When I was young, I want the boner, but now I only hit chicks who win beauty pageants. Tricking and taking me skiing at the Aspens. Gangsta mental, stay popping crystal. Pack a black pistol in the act coupe that's dark brown. Pinky ringing, gondolas with the man singing. Italian music down the river with your chick clinging to my bizzles. Player, you mad fools. Acting hard when you as pussy as RuPaul's. Come on.
Baby girl, won't you come and hold my hand? Won't you come and chill out with the Virgo? Hey girl, just come and hold my hand. Won't you come and just chill with the Virgo? We sippin' on Merlot, you ain't gotta be my girl though. I drop you off at Willoughby and Myrtle. Smash with the Virgo, ain't got to take your shirt off. You see me convince your homegirl though. She says her life is too hard. She says that she wanna come and deal with the God. Promise me that she gon' play her part. Cause what I spit gets straight to her heart. And she damn fine, feet hammer time, damn if I mind. Long as the bubble in back of your waistline, I don't waste time. I gotta get on it, just you and me, 2 glasses, silver Patronin in the club scene where I met Miss Green Eyes. She walked by asking me, are you nice? Why? If you was, I'd be totally TWI. Well, here I am, yep, I'm the man. Bartender, put a Cosmo in that girl hand. So, here we standing before I begin. Homegirl made a knot out of the cherry stem. Tongue skills, yeah, I like that. Now we on the right track. Straight to my phantom called Africa Black. Ever since then, she been yapping a track. Told her friends, now they hollering behind her back. Sing.
Baby girl, won't you come and hold my hand? Won't you come and just chill with the Virgo? Hey girl, just come and hold my hand. Won't you come and chill out with the Virgo? We sippin' on Merlot, you ain't gotta be my girl though. I drop you off at Peachtree and Merlot. Smash with the Virgo, you ain't gotta take your shirt off. So fresh and so fly in diamonds. When I stepped up in the club, even my eyes were shining. Bling, a little cute thing said, what's your name? I put my necklace in her face and told her read the chain. Ooh, so stuck up, told me shut the fuck up loud. Ludacris is in the hat, ooh, ah. The needle hit the record, they was playing this song. All the forever like fame, let the Leroy's dance while I'm laid back chillin' in my B-boy stance. Could be a little pop locking if your girl's top's dropping, but watch for cock blocking on my coochie stock options. But later for the ass jack, throw 'em on the fast track.
How's your quarantine going? Chillin', you know how it is. You know who you with. Hopefully you know what guys as well. Anyway, too many to recap, but if you haven't known, this is for the hip hop heads. You can get pulled back to the lovers and the soulful stuff.
We could have sex, but I can't be your lover.
Let me get back to this.
Catching you staring, be careful. The idle mind is a dangerous place to be left in, but keep your eyes on me. Yeah, your heart don't stand a chance. It feels like it's been far too long. Your knees can't hold your legs, your feet just wanna pace. The eyes keep me all in a trance. Let me ask you, would you leave it all in the back of your head? All in the palm of my hand. heart don't stand a chance. Your leaves just wanna break. Your eyes keep me all in the trance. And let me ask you, I know the approach is so far from what you used to. Would you know it? Hey, do I hold the candle to the last one over your moon? Baby, of course I do. Hey, I'm not closing my tab. Don't it feel like it's been far too long, girl? Your heart don't stand a chance.
Sanisa to the dog, Ellie's rock steady. Love my melody, Shawshank, I rock Pelly. Bande, Baba Goofy Bang feel. I'm across the click out of my lock, I do with the key. I'm about to wait, Bella. She love me like her only son, Lifika, I'm a fike. Trust me, I ain't
quick shout out to Picada. Shout out to PH Raw. This PH Raw X. This remix is one of the flyest things I've ever heard.
Now drop, give me 10. Oh, well, LLM out here when God kiss the fat. Elevate me when I'm down. You owe me that much, be my crush till I get back uptown. You still down, women give me hope. Joanna up, Joanna talk to Mella, the Mella up, Camella, the features brighter, how the bonya get up. For girl, like it's a cold world, that whole donya get up. For Della, cause I'm a boss. I'm a play, I'm a play,
my heart is pumping, but I can't breathe. I always dream at night, but I can't sleep. Every barrack in one hasatane, cause I can break through this ability get done. Your host, the L naughty, spitting killer versus admitted get goatee. Dangerous MC, Lakarika speed, I can let you say you got the time of feed. We all popping the well and we go, drop it the well at Dilon, pump it level we go and drop it until you get on. Top of a tune you want, double a 7 you want. Haka 7 was a southern, Dahono double strong. I'm for the killer, I'm a refitile, no, be humble a killer mano. Anthony Bala we go, harder and harder, no. You still stand still, cool it tell them.
Ubanlo, it's M-Dub, fitted and once more. I'm killing verses like I'm searching for encores. I'm killing verses like the words got a gun drawn. And I work it so perfect cause the purpose is far as long. Kula si kalakon, fele me bastede la glas pa bambakon. Fele me bastede la glas pa falakon. Fele me spafeze la glabay chafakon. Nabona, look, fele we came with dreams from the pavement. The same dream proceeded, got us famous. And lames beef, we peaked and they got nameless. No, we ain't gotta speak, our reach will make statements. We crowd pullers, maybe you sound good, but we sound gooder. Our shit's a show dead when I yours coulda. And that's why we remain iller than the hip roll hooker.
The highest caliber, make it a night to remember like Shalimar. Then escape to Havana with a solder. Do what I gotta, planes get shot down, Cuban airspace over the water. I got insight, it's a clear case of reading your aura. Man, what you got for us as my black men stand in line like a chorus. Making these MCs our sons like Horus. I'm always taking shots like a Japanese tourist. Get the picture, fly to Casa Sosa, no exposure.
I'm sipping, wishing well water imported from Pluto. That's why my eyes is glassy, so you ain't got to ask me. The interplanetary Illuminati move your body. I track the stars first, so fuck Kirk and Scotty. I do basement parties on a mothership. Now I'm on planet Earth on some other shit. Man, inhabitants of this world be striving and struggling, trying to eat forward and keep the rights till they publish it. Get so red hot, man, that shit is like bubbling. Can't get no peace cause the beasts keep troubling. Youth they oppose and the blows they be doubling. Night heads is tripe and the shots they be thundering. Ways that customs don't make any sense. They be giving me stress and they test my maintenance. Use the sand and the Uma is my sustenance. Know the style will never lack, melanin's my evidence.
In order to be effective, with your words you must be selective. Cause showing and proving is the prime directive. Moving those who are outdated with vernaculated thoughts. So every time I take a turn, MCs take a loss. My point across, I gotta get to where I wanna be. As the wickedest public speaker since 73 or 74, which was the year I first touched ground. As the physical manifestation of sight and sound. So gather round to hear the profound brown vomiter. Absorb the sonic energy manifesting through your monitor. Delivering proof, I make the truth sound clear. Mr. Man to 9 Ether represent right here. Check it out.
Once in a lifetime like a Halley's Comet. Yo, we bring it to Medina like the Prophet Muhammad.
Peace be upon he and we MCs sweep the 45 live exhibit level degree.
This is once in a lifetime like a Halley's Comet. Yo, we bring it to Medina like the Prophet Muhammad.
Peace be upon he and we MCs sweep the 45 live exhibit level degree. Yo.
So many things I'm going through, so much that I wanna do. It's starting to become so clear to me. Tomorrow ain't really guaranteed. So many days I thought of you. It's about time you knew the truth. Got to act quickly, you and I, and fall in love. So many reasons why. Why don't we? Why don't we? Why don't we? Why don't we? Why don't we fall in love? Why don't we fall in love? It's so many reasons. It's the only thing that matters to me. It takes such a load off to let you know that you're the only one I never want to go. Things I never did, now I want to do. A love I never felt, now I feel for you. Why? To swallow each and every ounce of my pride. Everything you do, I wanna feel again. Ain't no use for us to pretend. Why? Why can't we? Why can't we? Edge boogie. Yo. They say that everything you go through in life, that's what you become. Well then, if that's the case, I'm becoming number one. Listen, yo, it's Estelle, Ken, yo, Stella.
This is the first song I ever heard by Estelle. She was rapping so hard.
I grew up in the 1980s in a 4-bedroom house. My family, my grandma, 3 or 4 aunties, uncles and brothers, in and out of prison daily. Certain time when there was no heat, we stay under covers. There was life like you never seen. Granny taking extra people in. Come dinner time, it was tipping 18. Boil a big pot of water on the stove to take a bath. Rub my face with olive oil. All my mates used to laugh. And my cousins moved out, and we all got divided. Starting to get older, I seen God providing. I seen £50 last for 3 months solid. I got my first pair of nights, we were still eating porridge. Me and my cousin used to play Melankin, practicing dancing, coming down the stairs and ting. I touched Africa and came back darker, knowing myself, feeling my roots a little bit harder. 1980, yeah, that God made me. 89, I started to get mine. 99, I started to write rhymes. Walk with me, reminisce on my life. 1980, yeah, that God made me. 89, I started to get mine. 99, I started to write rhymes. Walk with me, reminisce on my life. So then we moved up, thought I was the Fresh Prince. Dynasty was reruns and Dallas was faded. With 3 beds this time and 6 kids. Still, we got a dog and yes, that dog's off the ship. But my brother got his first pair of LA gear. He thought it was to take pictures of instead of wear what. We started hanging out, my jeans got tighter. My weird neighbors set their own house on fire. Church was all day, every day and every week. That's where I learned how to sing, hearing that pastor preach. Benediction was all we wait for, so we could run home and play Connect 4. Mum worked late and we learned to cook sarsaparilla and stew pea soup. In the room watching kung fu films and Cleopatra drawings, wishing we was Cosby kids and the Matchstick Girls. 1980, yeah, that got made me. 89, I started to get mine. 99, I started to write rhymes. Oh, reminisce on my life. 1980, yeah, that got made me. 89, I started to get mine. 99, I started to write rhymes.
Niggas ain't scared to hustle. It's been 7 days, the same clothes. Ask them originals, cause they know. All step, Nate Dogg, very roll. Step away from the mic, they too
And that's the 45 minutes.
See you next
time.
Say my name, deserve how I stake my claim. I independently laid down and paid my game. My own two raised my flame, cause dick riding ain't my thing. I earned what they said I wouldn't. I got it the way they said I couldn't. But now I'm getting it and they whole grill is crooked. Mad cause I'm getting caked out for my bookings. When y'all was asking permission, I just stepped up and took it. What? The kids better buy my rookie card now. Cause after this year the price ain't coming down. And if you got a joint bubbling, then get money now. Cause in a minute, it's gonna be some real trouble coming out. Just a warning. As usual, some cats won't heed it. The hard-headed always gotta feel it to believe it. A shame the jealous gaze is too short to see it. But when they face it, the cement, they not in agreement. We can play nice and decent, but dirty like the 7-1 precinct. Call it a day and make it a long evening. You keep on scheming and give me some more reason. I had the women in your mama's church screaming, Lord Jesus. Harder than y'all, cause I'm smarter than y'all. I know that deep down it's got to be bothering y'all. Pay attention, watch Flacco get larger than y'all. Pour your pride on the rocks, make it swallow it all. The mathematic problem for y'all that just get harder to solve. Every day that the saga evolve, the do or die stay rumbling and bubbling hard. And when we move, we ain't got no discussion at all. East Coast on your neck and you ain't shrugging it off. Try to bully foot and end up stumbling off. I'm Daddy Brooklyn, y'all niggas are the sons of New York. Getting spanked when it's too much trouble to talk. Respect
oh, no. Look at who they let in the back door. From Long Beach to Brooklyn, they know. We rock from the east to west coast. Queen salute if you know. Step away from the mic, they too cold. The funk might fracture your
Very
bones.
contagious rap should be trapped in cages. Through stages of whackness, fouls, raps ablazing. And it amazes me how you claim thugs but go two ways without SkyTel pages. I'm in a lecture wall, pass more essays than motorcade, police parades through East LA. More beef than delays, thus what I vent is just what you lust to vent is eat relay. Hallelujah, Pharaoh march you through ya. Maintain the same frame of mind, screw ya. Get the picture, sit ya, seat ya, greet ya with scripture. I'm equipped to rip ya, reach ya. Pharaoh and Moses, verbal osmosis, coast to coast. We boast to be the most explosive here. Ferocious, the lyrical prognosis, your dosage, just leaving you mentally unfocused there. MCs just come on round. You're the next contestant on Catch a Beat Down. Don't be hesitant, sound cracks the sediment. It's evident we medicine for your whole town. Sky's the limit, game's infinite when I'm in it. All windows is in it, seeing me when I'm in it. Rap, we got it on lock, man, stop that. Put that mic back down, boy, drop that. Pharaoh's flows blow shows like afros. We hate y'all though, that's my Nate Dogg.
Oh no. Niggas ain't scared to hustle. It's been 7 days, the same clothes. Ask them originals, cause they know. All step, Nate Dogg, and Pharaoh. Step away from the mic, they too cold. The funk might fracture your nose. Oh no. Niggas ain't scared to hustle. It's been 7 days, the same clothes. Ask them originals, cause they know. All step, Nate Dogg, and Pharaoh. Step away from the mic, they too cold. The funk might fracture your nose. Oh no, look at who they let in the back door. From Long Beach
One
to
more thing.
Brooklyn, they know.
Don't forget to hit up the comments. Let me know what you'd like to hear. I'm telling you, trap. This is for the Sunday shit. The trap shit is gonna come for something else though.